Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change ear tips for your earbuds Plantronics Backbeat Pro. You have to start by remove the old ear tips. Here we go. Let's do the same with the right one. After that, select new ear tip size. I'm going with this one, I don't have another one. And then we need to attach them. You need to hear a click when you attach them. Here we go. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!